Hi guys, it's Dr. Rankin back here at South Metro Wellness on a Tuesday morning as promised. Today we're going to sneak in another product review because Jerry was kind enough to help me purchase a couple products for self-care. So we're going to dive back into our self-care theme because it seems as though we're getting to a point where people absolutely need that. With a lot of the changes that are going on, many people are a little bit disappointed with not being able to travel, not being able to enjoy Thanksgiving traditionally the way they were used to. So our self-care now as we go into the winter season and the colder weather is absolutely a must. So what Jerry picked up for me, I believe this was on Amazon, Jerry?
Yes.
The hemp product. This is Hemp Snow. A lot of you guys are probably used to seeing this. These are in a lot of salons, a lot of haircut facilities, basic retail, all over the place, these hemp products. This is a sugar scrub. And it was amazing, okay? Basically, this little sugar scrub is something you do when your skin starts to get dry and you don't have time to lotion constantly because we're still all washing our hands constantly. So with washing our hands every 5 minutes, we're going to start to get drier and we're going to need better exfoliation. Another thing that's really interesting about this is aromatherapy. Another piece I also like to use each day. This is what Angel got me. I keep it right up here in my front desk, and this is rose oil hand cream. Simple little things that we do for self-care, right? Rose Oil Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. This is from Trader Joe's. This is amazing. This lasts through 5 hand washes because I have to wash constantly. So we see maybe 20 some people a day. I have to stop, rinse, wash, wipe everything down, and then dry it all. So we have to really spread everything out because we're socially distanced. And by the halfway through the day, it doesn't matter how hard I try. My hands are still a little bit scaly, and I can see white flecks of my white skin underneath my sunless tanner popping off. So not good. Another thing I think is really, really helpful with self-care is aromatherapy, especially if your mood is down or if you're bummed about something or you're not being able to go places or do things the same way we're used to. We're also seeing changes here in Minnesota with distance learning and at home schooling for a lot of our youngsters, so things have just been very, very stressful. A fresh scent of rose or pomegranate or lavender or something very, very soft or crisp, eucalyptus snowfall, something very, very sweet. It really does help get your mind off of more ugly things and onto more positive things. This particular one is pomegranate, so I'll open it up and give you guys a look here. And of course it's pink. I'm sure you guys enjoyed the pink last week. Yes, we are in pink. It's a pink self-care week here at South Metro Wellness. This is our theme here. And this is just a very, very basic scrub, just like this. These come in lotions. I think they might come in hair shampoos. And this is a basic exfoliator. Pretty super easy to use. There, I don't know how much retail we're going to have in here of these things, but we basically get a lot of our stuff off of Amazon. So if that's something of interest to you, you might want to go looking that way. Another self-care product is the TENS unit, TENS. I had a patient ask about that this morning. It is the electric therapy that we put on patients before they get their adjustment. You can actually get a portable one of those for home, so for home use. So Jerry uses that one. A lot of our clients here use them. You go on Amazon. Don't go through a medical company product supplier. They're going to charge like 8 or 9 times what the value of the product is. The exact same serial numbers. You go on Amazon, you're looking at $100 to $150, pads included, maybe not even. The good ones, the good mid-grade ones that are going to last you, batteries included. Some of the pads are included between $1 and $150. Try not to spend more than that. With that, I don't know if we have any practice announcements right now. Angel's schedule is booking up, so she is busy pretty much Monday through Friday. We are asking patients to make sure you get scheduled a week in advance for your self-care. Remember, massage is extremely important as we go into the winter months to reduce your stress and make sure that you get a quality circulation, quality rest and relaxation, and a break from the rest of the world. That is also going to be extremely important. We also use rose, ivy, and extract as part of our aromatherapy in the massage room as well as have our candles. So we also always have aromatherapy going on in our clinic, whether it's in the massage room or up front. Or just me personally. Another issue with self-care that came up here this week is your frequency. So if you are being seen for acupuncture, chiropractic, physical therapy, or massage, your frequency is extremely important. It is so tricky when your body starts to heal, you're not in any pain, to fall off the wagon and not be seen regularly for your regularly scheduled appointments. Remember, your body is still healing even after you're not in pain. So you do need to follow your frequency. Your treatment plan was set up for you for a reason. You're not going to be in pain somewhere after 6, 7 visits into your first part of your treatment plan. The second part is to correct the alignment. If you're not getting your alignment corrected properly and it's not staying there, your symptoms will come back and then you'll end up in an urgent situation. Now is not the time to need to go to a medical doctor or a pharmacy to get muscle relaxers because you're off your frequency. I think it's a lot easier to be seen by your chiropractor or your massage therapist. It's a much more friendly, conducive environment to health and healing rather than the fear and the panic you're going to be in if you've been missing your appointments consistently because of the weather or because of lack of desire, and then you're ending up on your rear end in the urgent care begging for drugs or waiting to be seen, and you're surrounded by other things that are a little less desirable. So make sure you stay on your originally scheduled appointment. That will help you tremendously. So with that, we will be making some practice announcements as they come up here. Next week when we see you guys, we'll probably have a new topic, or we will revisit some case studies. We've had some interesting things come up here with low back pain. We will review that next week as well as some other announcements about some changes with our website. So with that, thank you for tuning in and joining us. It's going to be an easy, short one today. Remember your self-care, whether that's skin care, whether that's time to rest and relax, whether that's your originally scheduled appointment or a massage or whatever it is that you like to do for yourself. Get yourself some exercise. The weather here is still pretty decent. You want to fit those things in, and remember to maintain your social distancing and keep yourself safe in every other way. We wish you all the best. Until next time.